Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2020 on a 20 plate Renault Clio Iconic. This is the 1 litre turbocharged petrol with a 5-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in diamond black metallic, and it's covered just 36,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around this really high spec, newer shape Clio. Lovely looking car in this diamond black metallic. This is an August 2020 model, and it's had just the one private owner from brand new. It's not been a lease car or a company car, it's been privately owned from new, just the one owner. We've got these lovely 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, 36,000 miles, properly maintained right the way through its life. 4 service stamps in the book, so it's been done annually from new. So properly looked after, one owner car. Excellent value for money. They look great. 5-door practicality. They've got really, this Iconic model especially, excellent level of specification and very sensible running costs as well. Up to 50 miles to the gallon on a combined run. Nice low insurance group. £190 year to tax, as with all cars of this age. And looks a classy thing in the black. Iconic specification, so you get the 16-inch diamond cut wheels, remote central locking, does come supplied with 2 remote keys. As we move into the interior, it's in lovely condition, seats are in really good shape. All the door cards in good nick. You've got front electric windows, electronically adjustable and power folding door mirrors. It's got its original Clio carpet mats, and then as we make our way into some of the controls, it does have lane assist, which is a nice feature. You've got some radio controls up onto the steering wheel itself, which again is in really good shape. You've got controls for your Bluetooth, your trip computer. You've got your mileage up there, which is less than 37,000. Cruise control with a speed limiter. Automatic lights. Down below we've got a couple of cup holders. We've got a manual handbrake, 5-speed manual gearbox, and then you've got your 2 remote key cards with a bit of storage. You've got 12-volt socket, you've got 2 USB inputs along with an auxiliary. Making our way up, we've got air conditioning, of course, start-stop facility which you can switch off, an eco button, all your handbooks, locking wheel nut keys, etc. in the glove box, and then up above it's a push button to start, and then we've got all your features here, so satellite navigation built in, DAB digital radio, we've got Bluetooth for your telephone. If I put the car into reverse as well, it has parking sensors at the rear, and you do get a park pilot which comes up on the screen. So really nice level of spec, easy to get along with. In my eyes, just a very good value 5-door hatchback that looks the part. Carpet mats in the back again, and then you've got 3 headrests with 3 proper seat belts, and the ISOFIX for the child seats. So comfortable 5-seater. Again, all the door cards etc. in good shape. And then round to the back of the car, just pop the boot lid, split folding rear seats, parcel shelf at the top, and then really good size on that low compartment, plenty of room in there, and again in really good condition. And there we have it, August 2020 Renault Clio Iconic, 1 litre turbo petrol. It's got 100 brake horsepower, so it goes really nicely. 5-speed manual gearbox from just the one private owner with a full 4-stamp service history. Finance is available from less than £200 a month on a PCP deal based on a 10% deposit, so really good finance options. And the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory free MOT along with a service including replacement front tyres and front brake pads and discs, along with 2 keys and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Super looking little car, under 11 grand, represents excellent value. I'm sure this one will be snapped up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.